Okay, guys, so I want you to take your piece of paper and just go to strip 5, and you can see where the bold lines are here. I just want you guys to draw these two lines to just further extend these bold lines. This way, we know here this is our perfect 60-second marker here. So now we have a 60-second marker here on our paper. It's going to make it easier for us to be able to get the duration and frequency. So let's go over those real quick. So strip 1, I just like the contractions on strip 1. We know here this is 60 seconds. So to get duration, remember with duration, it's the start of a contraction to the end of the same contraction. It's in seconds, and we're always rounding it by the tens. So contractions can be 30, 40, 50, 60, so 1 seconds long. So you're going to go on ahead and put the first line right where this contraction is starting. And we can see here where the second line is. The contraction's probably been over for about 10 seconds. Most of the energy of that contraction's pretty much over. So I'm going to go on ahead and just minus one box here. I'm going to call this contraction about 50 seconds. We're going to move here to the second contraction. Again, I have the first line pretty much where the contraction first starts. Here, the whole contraction's over pretty much in that 60 seconds. We can call it 52, but I would say not 52, but we can also say 50 seconds. But 60 seconds would work for this contraction. And then we're going to move to the third one. Again, putting the first line where it first starts to go up. And we can see here with the second one, this third contraction is nicely within these two lines. So this is going to be just about 60 seconds. Now, if this contraction lasted one or two boxes longer, we know each box is 10 seconds, then we could just add that many seconds. So if this one was longer, we could possibly add one or two boxes, making it 70 or 80 seconds. And then just doing frequency. Remember with frequency, it's going to be the start of a contraction to the start of the next contraction. With frequency, it doesn't matter where that first contraction ends. Start of a contraction to the start of the next contraction. And this is going to be measured in minutes and by the whole and half minute. So we're going to go on ahead and put that first line right here where that contraction is starting, and we're going to count to this contraction. So here's 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And it's about another half minute for this second contraction to go up. So we can go on ahead and say that these two contractions are 3.5 minutes apart. Between the second and third one, here's 1 minute, 2 minutes. My cat's trying to pull something on herself. And then here is, by the time we're here, we see that this third contraction has started already going up. So this is about 2.5 minutes. So here's 1 minute, 2 minutes, and we see we're not going to get that third minute out of here, so about 2.5 minutes. So just remember with frequency, that can be whole and half minutes, whereas duration is only seconds. Alrighty.